Hey, so I'd like to share some footage of a talk that I gave about an app that I built. It's called fitby, and it's a minimalist, data-driven fitness dashboard that incorporates two things that I love a lot, which are beautiful UI design and data visualization. That's a full stack app that I built entirely by myself in under 6 days. I presented my application to an intimate group of 40 people, but I didn't know that I was going to be filmed that day. Like, I knew I was going to be presenting, but I didn't know that it would be recorded. So I'm not wearing makeup, and I'd like to apologize for my appearance and general awkwardness. I was not prepared, but I still think there's some good content in here. I enjoyed making this app and I learned a lot, and I even actually won an award for it. fitby won an award for Best UI Design. I'm pretty proud of this. It's still broken, so don't visit it yet, but it is deployed and I'll fix it, I promise you. It's at fitby.herokuapp.com, and you can check out my code on GitHub. I hope you enjoy this talk.
Hi everyone, my name is Beatrix and I built an app called fitby. It is a minimalist, data-driven fitness dashboard. I'm a person that's used fitness apps before, but I hate that they keep track of too much information, so I wanted to make something super simple that I would actually use. So let's step through. We can sign up as a new user or log in, and I'm just gonna log in as myself with a really secure password. So on login, the fitby logo animation appears, and we have two main areas in the app. So we have a nutrition section. On hover, this diagram shows your ratio of healthy to not so healthy eating. And let's add some more food for today. So let's say I had a salad, and that was pretty healthy, so I'll submit. And as you can see, the diagram live updates as soon as you input new data. Let's say I had a cookie though, and that was not so healthy, so I'll submit that as well. So it looks like my healthy to not so healthy ratio has gone down. We can also move over to the fitness dashboard. And so this diagram on hover shows the measurements that you are tracking. All I care about is whether I worked out today and like what kind I did. So cardio, strength, sure, maybe I forgot to stretch, but that's okay. Measurement type, let's add weight. Let's say I gained a lot of weight over a hackathon, so I'm gonna add a weight measurement and submit. And it seems like it didn't persist to the database this time, but let's try one more time. This is a feature that was working last night, but we would expect this graph to live update and then show that line move upward. So let's move over to our archives. So we have a nutrition archive and a fitness archive. So we can see in our nutrition the ratio of healthy to not healthy over time, and it looks like gradually I've eaten more and more healthy, which is great. So this green field has gone upward. And then if we move over to our fitness archive, we can see all of our data. Oh, it looks like my latest weight entry is showing up in the archive section. So you can see that spike right up here. Fun fact, this is actually real data. I've actually collected data on myself for the past year or more. So these are all real data points. So I could see like I was kind of heavier in the winter, and then in the spring I decided to like fulfill some New Year's resolution and start working out. And then over hackathon, as you can see, it went up. And if we look at our workout history, we can see the history of my workouts per day, and there's only 3 types. As with the nutrition, by design, everything's just super binary. It's like, did I eat today? Yes. Was it healthy? Yes or no. And with fitness, there's only 3 types of workouts. It's not like going so granular with, I did a HIIT workout and then I did spin. It's like, no, it's like, did I work out? Yes or no. So the things that I were really excited about with this app were integrating Material UI and really deep diving into that and making something really beautiful. I come from a design background, so I was really excited to make like a UI that actually looks kind of professional. I also looked into Animate CSS. So there's some page transitions that look pretty smooth, like between the user profile and then the home logo animation. So I integrated Animate CSS with React. And something I was very, very excited about was data visualization. So I used a charting library called Recharts that integrates SVG, D3, and React for me. So I don't have to do anything except query from the database, parse the JSON data into some sort of array that the recharts library can understand, feed it into the charting library, and then it spins up this beautiful, interactive, animated data visualization. So yeah, that was my app, my minimalist fitness dashboard, and I hope you enjoyed my stackathon.